Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes system thread exception not handled error Windows 11, 10. First method is boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer. Click Troubleshoot, click Advanced Options. Click Uninstall Updates, uninstall latest quality updates, uninstall quality updates. After same problem occurs, click Troubleshoot, click Uninstall Updates, uninstall feature update. Second method is Troubleshoot, click Startup Repair. Click Advanced Options. Third method is click Troubleshoot. Click System Restore. Select recently created restore point. Fourth method is click Startup Settings. Right-click Start button, click Run. Type System Properties Advanced, click OK. Click Settings, uncheck Automatically Restart. Click OK. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.